Yes, the two people you are seeing up, they are husband and wife. Their names are Ekweremadu and Beatrice Nwaneka Ekweremadu. They are both husband and wife. These two people were arrested and sentenced to jail in UK, in London to be precise, for organ harvesting plot against a promising young man of 21 years old. Same from the same community. So what happened? This family, one of their child had health issue, and they looked around. They attracted this young man with money, and other incentives they wanted to give to him, promising him of a good life and to get him a job in the United Kingdom, because probably they have some cash to spend, to save their own child. So what happened? They were caught because the doctor that prepared everything, both of them, they were all convicted of that crime, organ harvesting plot, because the guy got there and he became afraid with the mind that probably he may die along the line, so he had to expose everything to save his own head. So something happened. This husband and wife, the wife was given 6 years jail time, and the husband also was given 10 years. Likewise, their doctor, respectively, different years. So now the wife has completed her own jail term of 6 years and was sent back to Nigeria a few days ago. So what struck me for making this video is very simple. This woman committed a crime in the United Kingdom and served 6 years jail term in the UK. And after her jail term, she was sent back to Nigeria. A certain group, or even their community, now they planned, in fact, they did a warm welcome for her for coming back. So the big question I have here, what is their reason for welcoming this woman? This woman did not go for something that will benefit the community or the state or even their own clan. This woman went to harvest another person's child organ to be able to fix her own child. And they were caught along the line. And people had the audacity to arrange themselves in a group to welcome this woman for coming back, for have committed a crime against humanity. Do you get the point? So this thing struck me to make this video. I didn't find it very comfortable or something reasonable, morally okay, that a group should do something like this. Because I have to be frank with you, these two people, shit happens in Nigeria. When you commit crime outside that is even against the nation, you should serve another jail term when you return to the country. But it's never going to happen. They have the money, they have the connection. Even AU, even ECOWAS went to UK to lobby for the husband, Ekweremadu, to be released. Can you imagine that? After what they have committed. So this is what we see on a regular basis. And these people, they are the same motherland from me. We speak the same language. So I call them mother and uncle, or father, whichever way you term it. They are from my place. Yes, they are from my place. So I didn't find it very good. So that's why I'm coming out to say it. So I'm going to use this also in my language to tell my people, ndị bai oge rugo oge anyị ga na-eyuzu ọgụgụ isi anyị. Nwa amadi ma na nwunye ya jere ka ha kara akụkụ arụ mmadụ wee dozie nwa nke ha, ruo ebe ha jere ka ha mee ya n'obodo oyibo, wee machie ha, wee tụọ ha, tige ha n'ụlọ nga nke nwaanyị afọ 6, ndị afọ 10. Now abịa rapụ nwunye ka nwunye bata, ndị obodo wee gbakọ na-anamata nwaanyị na ọ lọtago ka ha gaa gbakọọ ha wee kọmụọ ya na ọ batara n'obodo. Onye a bụ onye commitiri atrocity, onye a bụ onye commitiri sin. Ka anyị kwụsị na ịdị na-asọpọt ihe na-adịghị mma, because nke a adịrọ mma. Ọ bụ na ọ bụ onye jere for something ga-benefit the community, why not? Even we can stay on holidays for one day just to give that person respect, but not in this case. Na onye a jere ka o gbuo mmadụ. Ọ bụ na nwa akara na ofe akụkụ ahụ ya wee tinye na nwa ndị nke Ekweremadu, the next few hours agwa gị na onye ahụ akara na arụ ya nwụọ, na ka ihe unu ga-eme. Ọ bụrụ na ọ nwa gị ka e mere the same thing, obi ọ ga-adị gị mma? Ka ihe unu ji wee gbakọ wee plan ọka unu namata ya na ọ batago n'udo, na ọ batara n'udo. Ihe m na-ekwu ebe a kịta na ọ dịrọ mma. Ihe na-adịrọ mma adịrọ mma. Mụnwa anaghị asọpọt ihe na-adịghị mma. So if you have heard me, I've said it in English, I've said it in my language. This is what has happened. I did not support the welcome. If you are going to challenge me in comment section that I have done wrong to make this, to air my own view and make my own point, if you're against what I've said, meet me in comment section. Tell me and clear me and let me know why I should support the welcome. Because so many people in the comment section that are jobless, they don't have anything doing, they come out to write trash. Do you get the point? Tell me the reason why I should support her being welcomed back home. That's all I want. If you are there and if you have heard me, meet me in comment section. I'm very, very much waiting to read from you and to hear your own view and to also know what you have in mind. Thank you so much for listening and tuning in again. Thank you so much.